my god, this smells so good. That was our last can. And this is like the last bit of our dish soap. Actually, let's say, question is, did I make sure there was a sponge underneath it here? I think so. Please make sure you guys are following so you don't miss out on my future lives. Hey Kiki. Why are you so late to the party? Wait, that's a sponge. Just kidding. Y'all, it is thick down here. Oh, I didn't see. What the heck? Good morning. I hope I'm in frame because I'm really not looking like I should be looking. Oops. We might have to take her out. We're gonna see. We'll see if she can get one more. Thank you. Pretty much the Fabs and Ajax dish soap, Roma and Foca. We have one more big bag of Roma going in. We have one more big bag of Foca for purchase. And we have 2 aerials available. Trying to create us some suds. That was some suds. Girl, you are late to the party. Okay, does anyone want to add liquids? If not, I think we're gonna try to powder foam this last bag that we have sent for. If anybody would like to send for more powder, you are more than welcome to. We've got 4 liquids for $7, 1 dish soap for $7, 3 $2 liquids, a big bag of Foca, a big bag of Ariel, Downy and regular Ariel if anybody would like to add. That's so cute. Thank you. That's so cute. Make sure you guys are following too. Let me make sure I don't have to, oh no, I got a visibility, but that's about it. I didn't think about it. Sometimes, depending, I'm going to take my gloves off really quick. This is definitely the time to send if you want to send for something. I'm gonna take my gloves off real quick. Oops. So I can check our screen. Oops. Make sure we don't have, ugh, it's so hard to take off when you have 2 gloves. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We have 1 big Roma that is left to go in. All right, woof, we got 1 out, jeez. Louise. Like, that was so hard. Oops, 1 more, 1 more. There you go. Oof, rough. Rough out here to take these off. I'm just trying to get to the screen. Okay, I see that. I see that.